crowds scattering, children screaming, and the rain just blowing into the sides of the big top.
Watch the children.
Watch the children for sure.
You have to take every warning seriously, but you have to be prepared before the warning gets there.
I'm taking my official space and earth weather watch up a notch. I need your love. This is a Thor News presentation.
Doesn't matter what I believe.
Hit the button, baby. Stay cool.
But Monday, look at this. The thunderstorms are still in the same area. This isn't moving much. So this is not a pattern that's going to be changing. In fact, we're even going to inject more moisture into that from the Gulf of Mexico. So look at this. That invest area, that area of low pressure, well, the models are locking in on it, and it's taking it across the Yucatan Peninsula into the Gulf of Mexico. Nice toasty water. One ingredient that a tropical system needs to thrive.
Okay, see that? That is a giant blob of water. It's not a hurricane. It's not a tropical storm. It's just a massive mass of moisture. Looks kind of like a Pac-Man ghost. So Texas, Mexico, Florida, Alabama, Arkansas, Tennessee, everybody be ready, okay? I'm just here to alert you, make sure you're prepared, you have a plan, and you just be ready. 'Cause I know that I've driven across East Texas in the last week, and I saw the water levels extremely high. They're still high. They're still at flood levels, even though we haven't had rain in like 8-9 days. But those dry days look like they're about to be over, as we will see this storm enter probably early Sunday and maybe stay for a couple days. So just everybody be ready. Maybe buy a canoe or some shit. I don't know. Just thought I'd let you know.
We have what will be the bulk of that moisture, that area of low pressure, taking all of that towards the Gulf Coast of the U.S. So Texas, Louisiana, by Monday into Tuesday, and we already know what's happening, right? The pattern is there for days and days of showers and thunderstorms. Through Monday, you've already got a concentration of rain down here in Texas and in Louisiana, and then stretching up into the Midwest as well. What this is going to do is really enhance any of the shower and the rainfall potential here, which is not exactly in an area that needs it at all, because Houston, I'm talking to you, maybe an additional 3 to 5 inches of rainfall here through Wednesday into Lake Charles as well. This is all part of that high pressure, remember, over here, helping to funnel some of that moisture into the Gulf Coast.
All right, Texas, the land that I love. It looks like the flooding is possibly going to return as shit ton of moisture is waiting in the Gulf Coast. We've got Tropical Storm Carlos off the central coast of Mexico, which is working as almost like a gear that's gonna help counterclockwise pull all this air, water, and moisture up through Texas, Louisiana, through the plains, and then straight on up into Canada. We still got this little weird feature over Canada, Newfoundland, Greenland, whatever the hell that one is. Can you see how it's all just streaming straight through and straight up? The last time this happened, we had floods in Dallas and all over Texas. Houston, you are definitely on high alert for rapid flooding, and this alert pretty much runs through Wednesday. For now, could be extended. See all that total cloud water? That's what's gonna happen. So Texas, be ready, be prepared. Today, throughout the Plain States, should be getting hit pretty hard too. This is total participial water. It's the amount of water that likes to participate in the storm activity. And as you can see, we've got a ton down here, and it's all gonna be filtered straight up through Mexico, Texas, Louisiana, and you could even imagine Alabama, Florida getting a lot of water and wetness as well. So just stay alert, stay prepared. Hurricane number 3, right here. Carlos. Carlos. Man, rolling my R's is getting rusty. I need to date a Latina lady again so I can get my R's rolling back to par or whatever. That is the area where the heat and the cool will engage in an epic battle that will cause severe weather. Wow, look at all that dark matter spewing out of the sun. It's water vapor. See all that water? It'll be giving you the vapors. That's stupid. That is a lot of water vapor. God bless everyone.